Assembling JME PVC C900 and PVC C909 pipe is a bell and spigot push-on assembly. This video shows the proper assembly procedure. Clean the gasket area. Remove sand, dirt, and debris. The gasket and groove area behind it should be wiped clean. If mud, dirt, silt, or other foreign material is in the sealing area, it may prevent the gasket from sealing against the spigot. Check the gasket. Make sure it is seated uniformly in the groove area by running your finger around the inner edge of the gasket. If the gasket has a plastic retainer ring, make sure it is properly seated into the rubber portion of the gasket. This is especially important for C909 pipe. Make sure the pipe spigot end is clean by removing all dirt, water, pipe lubricant, etc. Wipe with a dry clean cloth around the entire circumference from the end to 1 inch beyond the second reference mark. Make sure the pipe has an adequate bevel or chamfer. Apply the lubricant to the bevel and 1 inch to 2 inches immediately past the bevel. Do not apply to the full length of the spigot barrel. Use lubricant supplied or recommended by JME. Keep the lubricated area clean. If dirt or sand adheres to the lubricated area, it must be cleaned and relubricated. Straight alignment is a key element for proper assembly. Misaligned pipe greatly increases the assembly force required to make the joint and the potential to roll or push out the gasket. When properly aligned, the pipe joint can be easily assembled. Generally, 4 inches to 10 inches can be assembled manually using a spud bar or other means. 12 inches and above can be assembled using mechanical equipment. Insert the spigot into the bell until the bell end is flush between the first mark and the second mark. Do not assemble beyond the second reference mark. Following proper assembly, the joint may be deflected to a maximum of 1 degree for 4 inches through 12 inches and 1.5 degrees for 14 inches and larger sizes. Joint deflection is achieved after the joint is assembled in straight alignment and to the reference mark. Care should be taken not to exceed the maximum angular deflection allowed or damage the pipe with the machinery used.